Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing Updraftplus from the WordPress plugins page and activate it now. Open Settings, then Updraftplus Backups to configure basic options. Choose backup contents to include database plus plugins, themes, and uploads. Pick a remote storage provider like Dropbox, Google Drive, or Amazon S3 and authenticate your account. Set file size limits and chunking if you expect large files over 1 GB. Save changes and run a manual test backup to confirm connectivity and access to remote storage. Decide on a schedule that matches your update frequency and traffic patterns. For most sites, schedule database backups every 12 hours and files every 24 hours. Set retention to keep backups for 30 days and enable automatic pruning of older copies. Enable email alerts for successful and failed backups so you stay informed. Turn on encryption for sensitive backup data if required by compliance rules. Confirm scheduled jobs run by checking the Updraftplus log after the first automated run. To restore, open the Existing Backups tab and select the backups that you need to restore. Choose components to restore, such as database, plugins, themes, and uploads, and run the restore one component at a time. Verify the site on a staging environment before restoring production to avoid downtime. Download backup files locally if remote retrieval fails, and use WPCLI for large or automated restores. Review Updraftplus logs for errors, and follow recommended fixes for permission issues or timeout problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.